What if I told you that you could put away an extra $300 a month without changing your job, without working extra hours, and without stressing yourself? $300 might not sound like much to some people, but for most of us, that's enough to pay a utility bill, cover groceries for a week, or start building an emergency fund that actually keeps you from panicking when something unexpected pops up. And here's the real kicker. What if all it took was saving just $10 a day? That's it. $10. Something most people spend without thinking. Today on Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, I'm breaking down 3 insanely quick and practical ways you can save $10 every single day. And by the time we're done, you'll be amazed at how simple it is to change your financial life one small step at a time. Stick with me. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss future videos, and let's dive right in. Now, before I reveal these 3 quick tips, let me set the stage. Most people think saving money is about depriving yourself, saying no to fun, or living a boring, minimalist lifestyle. But that's not true. Saving money is about being intentional, paying attention to where your money flows, and realizing that small leaks sink big ships. The difference between someone who always feels broke and someone who quietly stacks up savings often comes down to the little choices they make each day. And I'm here to show you exactly how you can make those small choices add up to big results. By the way, if you're finding this helpful already, go ahead and smash that like button so YouTube knows to show this video to more people like you who are ready to change their financial lives. And don't forget to comment down below as we go along. Let me know which tip speaks to you the most or share your own money-saving hacks. I love reading your thoughts, and your strategies might even help someone else in the community. Alright, let's talk about the first way to save $10 a day. And I'm going to be real with you. This one is almost too simple, but most people ignore it. Coffee, snacks, takeout meals, those little daily treats we don't even notice. Let's be honest, how many times have you swung by a coffee shop or fast food spot because you didn't prepare ahead of time? A latte here, a sandwich there, maybe a soda and some chips when you're feeling hungry in the afternoon. It adds up. In fact, studies show the average American spends over $1,500 a year just on coffee runs. That's more than $100 a month, just for caffeine. Now, here's the trick. Don't cut coffee entirely. Don't punish yourself. Instead, replace half of those trips with a home version. If you usually spend $5 a day on coffee, make it at home 3 days out of the week. Boom, you've saved $15 already. Add in a packed lunch instead of takeout twice a week, and you're looking at saving more than $10 a day without feeling deprived. It's about swapping, not eliminating. Think about it. If you just swap one $10 expense each day, you've already hit your goal. And if you make it a fun challenge, like creating your own gourmet coffee bar at home or prepping easy 5-minute lunches, you'll actually enjoy the process. Now let me pause here and ask you, what's one daily expense you know you could swap right now? Is it coffee? Takeout? Maybe buying bottled water instead of carrying a reusable bottle? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your personal money leaks, because I bet we all have at least one. And if you haven't yet, subscribe right now to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, because I drop videos every single week teaching you how to save smarter, budget better, and stuff those envelopes until your savings goals are crushed. Here's the second way to save $10 a day. And this one hits different because it doesn't just save you money, it trains your brain. It's called the Round Down Challenge. Every time you spend money, whether you're buying groceries, paying a bill, or even grabbing something small online, you round the total amount up to the nearest 10 and transfer the difference into savings. Let's say your grocery bill comes to $43. You pretend it was $50 and stash away that extra $7 into your savings envelope or digital savings account. Do that across multiple purchases in a day, and you'll easily save more than $10 without even noticing. This works like magic because you're not waiting for extra money to show up. You're building the habit of saving right there in the moment. And when you check your envelope or app at the end of the week and see $50, $60, $70 you didn't think you had, the feeling is addictive. It makes saving fun instead of stressful. Trust me, try it for 1 week and watch what happens. And if you like hacks like this, give this video a thumbs up because it lets me know you want more practical tips you can use today, not someday. Quick question for you. How many of you have tried money challenges before? Things like the 100 envelope challenge, the no spend challenge, or maybe a weekly savings plan. I know a lot of you here on Cash Stuffing and Budgeting are all about those challenges, so tell me in the comments, which one worked best for you and why? Sharing your experience can motivate someone else watching this video right now who's struggling to start. Now, let's move on to the third quick way to save $10 a day. And this one might surprise you. It's hidden subscriptions and small recurring charges. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That streaming service you barely use, that app you signed up for during a free trial and forgot about, that gym membership you haven't touched in months. On average, people are spending over $100 a month on subscriptions they don't use or need. That's over $1,200 a year literally slipping through your fingers. So here's your task. Today, not tomorrow, not next week. Sit down, open your bank app, and go through the last 3 months of transactions. Highlight every recurring charge. Be ruthless. If you're not using it weekly, cancel it. Even if you cancel just one $15 subscription, that's already more than your daily $10 goal for the week. And if you find multiple, you're going to save hundreds of dollars a year. Take those savings, transfer them into your cash stuffing envelopes or savings account, and watch how fast it grows. This one simple step can be life-changing because it forces you to take control and stop letting money trickle out of your account unnoticed. So, just imagine with me for a second. You cut back on coffee and lunches here and there. You do the round down challenge every time you spend, and you cancel a few useless subscriptions. Suddenly, you're saving $10 a day without breaking a sweat. That's $70 a week, $300 a month, and $3,600 in a year. What could you do with an extra $3,600? Pay down debt? Take a dream vacation? Build an emergency fund that gives you peace of mind? Invest it and watch it grow? This is the power of small, daily choices compounded over time. And here's the truth. Most people will watch this video, nod along, and then go back to business as usual. Don't let that be you. Be the person who actually takes action. Start with just one of these tips today. Pack your lunch, round up your grocery bill, or cancel that subscription right now. Do it before you forget. Your future self will thank you. And while you're at it, make sure you're subscribed to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting because this channel is all about helping you take those small steps every single day to add up to big results. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos because the next one could be the exact tip you need to finally hit your savings goal. And before I wrap up, let's make this interactive. I want you to do 3 things for me right now. First, like this video if you found even one of these tips helpful. Second, comment down below with your favorite daily savings hack, whether it's one of mine or something you personally do. Let's build a community of savers who can inspire each other. And third, share this video with a friend or family member who you know struggles to save money. Sometimes, all it takes is one new idea to completely change someone's financial life. So to recap, 3 quick ways to save $10 a day. Swap your daily expenses like coffee or takeout with home alternatives. Use a round down challenge to trick yourself into saving and cancel those sneaky subscriptions draining your account. Do just these 3 things and you'll be shocked at how quickly your savings grow. Remember, saving isn't about giant leaps. It's about consistent small steps that lead to financial freedom. This has been another episode of Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, where we help you stretch every dollar, save smarter, and build the life you deserve. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment your thoughts. Until next time, keep stuffing, keep saving, and keep winning with your money.